Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? 10 plus deer. 10 deer. Mer plus seas. Mercies. Tender mercies. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to our show as we start off what we hope will be another great week here on Classic Concentration. The lady on my left you'll recognize from Friday's program. She was here with us then. Her name is Angie Gomez, and we're delighted to have her back with us. Young lady from down south, San Diego. And we said goodbye to an undefeated champion on our last show, and so we welcome this man today, Derek Nagata. Hi, Derek.
How you doing?
Where are you from?
Torrance, in the area. Torrance, California.
Torrance, right here?
Yep.
What kind of work do you do?
I'm a mechanic, Toyota mechanic.
Okay, you ready to work?
I'm ready.
Take a look over here, and we will show you the first of many great prizes in this game.
Cajun cooking, Southern hospitality, and a whole lot of fun await you and a guest on the jazzy streets of New Orleans. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to New Orleans. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Maison Dupuis, an unusual French Quarter hotel combining old world charm with today's luxuries, featuring a lush tropical courtyard, heated pool, and exercise facility furnished by Maison Dupuis. Alex.
And this fabulous New Orleans vacation is on our game board behind this number, number 8. All right, Derek, you get to pick first. You're the newcomer. Good luck.
Okay, let's start up right in the middle, number 13.
Lawn furniture.
Lawn furniture, okay, and then let's go down to the bottom right corner to number 25.
Luggage, no match for you, Angie.
Okay, I'd really love to go to New Orleans. Let's look for a wild card under number 1, please.
Microwave
Ooh,
oven?
I could really use microwave. Number 5 for the match.
Sewing machine, no match. Derek?
Okay, let's try another corner. Number 21.
Red take.
And number 15.
Wild card, so the red take is coming your way, Derek. The other one on the board, on the top line at number 3. A little bit of insurance for later on. Right now, 3
Sounds
doors
good.
opening for your benefit. Pick again.
Okay, let's try number 24.
Chandelier.
And a wild card or a match on number 12.
Refrigerator, freezer. No match. Angie.
Okay, number 25, please.
Luggage.
Oh, I really need some luggage. Number 9.
Is that where we saw it? No, that's an electronic typewriter. Derek, back to you.
Oh, where was that luggage? Was that luggage under number 13?
No, that was the lawn furniture.
Let's go up to the number 4.
Refrigerator, freezer. No. Angie.
Was that refrigerator freezer under number 12? Yes, and number 4 for the match.
Number 4 is a match. A good prize for you. And a chance to study the puzzle with these 2 doors opening up. No solution, Angie? Try it again.
Let's see what's under number 10, please.
Luggage.
Oh, where did I see that? And number 25 for the match?
Yes.
I'm going to Tahoe. I need luggage.
You need luggage to go to Tahoe?
We're going skiing.
Well, you go skiing. You don't
Yes.
go there to gamble.
Well,
Of course,
no, we're going skiing.
Of course, the way I ski, it's a gamble. Let's open these 2 doors. A lot of risk involved when I get on the slopes. Select again.
Okay, I need to see what's under number 22, please. Oh,
Green
okay.
take.
And number 14?
Microwave oven, no match. Derek?
Okay, I think that microwave was under number 1.
I think you are
Number
correct.
14 for the match.
There's a match for you. And you have this red take already, and she's got the refrigerator, freezer, and the luggage.
I think I'm going to save it for a little while.
All right.
Yeah.
2 doors opening up for Derek. Pick again. You like to hum, don't you, Derek?
That's how I think.
All righty.
Okay, let's see what's under number 11.
Sewing machine.
And was that under number 5?
I think so. Yes. How about the take now? Still saving it?
Yeah, let's hold on to it for a little while longer.
All right. 2 more panels opening up. Select again.
Okay, we've seen what's under number 20.
His and her diamond watches.
Ooh,
And I think we still have 2 wild cards on the board, Derek.
I could go for one of those wild cards. Let's see what's under number 2.
Lawn furniture. We know where that is, or do we, Angie?
Yes, we do. Number 13,
13.
please.
Derek selected it twice at that
And
position.
number 2 for the match.
2 and 13 is good. Certainly good for Angie. She's got to win this game, of course. She is with 1 strike against her, so she's vulnerable. Let's open these 2 doors. Select again.
Okay, well, let's see what's under number 23. Woo!
Wild card for you.
And number 8, please.
Number 8, New Orleans vacation, the other New Orleans holiday. We were all around it, but we never lit on number 17. So 3 panels will open for Angie. Pick again.
Number 7, please.
Green take.
And number 16.
No, electronic typewriter there. Derek.
Okay, let's see if that take was under number 22.
Yes.
And number 7 for the match.
22 and 7 makes it a match. You've got both of them now. Might be a good time to use one.
New Orleans! Like
right.
to go there.
Young man wants to go to New Orleans. Would you go alone, or you married?
I'd take my wife with me.
That's a good person to take. Take a look at the puzzle now and see if you can solve it in order to win the trip. Pick again.
Let's see what's under number 19.
Wild card.
And number 18.
18 is the chandelier. The other chandelier is at number 24. So you're going to get a look at 3 squares all in a bunch. But right now you've got the other take to use if you want it. What do you want?
Take the refrigerator freezer.
All right. Refrigerator freezer for Derek. And 3 doors opening up for Derek.
Is it sushi bar?
Sushi bar, he says. And there are sushi bars in New Orleans, but there are a lot of other great things also. Let's go to the board. Well done, Derek.
Oh, thank you.
Break it down.
Okay, this is the S plus a double O, which is Sue, and this is what messed me up. She, so sushi, and the bar for sushi bar.
All right, well done. Fast victory for you, and a broken heart for Angie Gomez.
That's okay.
Unfortunately, 2 strikes against you and no prizes, but we do have some gifts for you backstage. Sorry about that, Angie. Nice having you here, though. Take care. So long. All right, Derek.
Right.
Big win, big win. Let's hear about the prizes. Gene.
A microwave oven, a sewing machine, and a chandelier. Frederick Raymond's Festival Collection Chandelier, European and contemporary design to complete any decor. Yesteryear's ambiance with a present-day flair. Artistic lighting furnished by Frederick Raymond. And a refrigerator freezer. A Whirlpool no-frost side-by-side refrigerator with through-the-door ice and water dispensers. And Whirlpool's advanced technology for the performance and convenience you want, furnished by Whirlpool. And, of course, the exciting New Orleans. And Derek, these prizes are worth $4,641.
And of course, you're going to play again, but when we come back, you'll get a chance to win a brand new car after this.
Sounds good.
Love Family Feud.
Well, Derek's ready, so let's do it. 15 numbered squares up on the board. Base time, 35 seconds. You're going to need a little bit of luck, but we've had players win cars in as few as 26 seconds, Derek.
I hope so.
Off you go.
Okay, 1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
5, 9,
No.
2, 12,
Oh, yes.
4, 8,
Yep.
10, 11,
No.
13, 14,
No.
3, 14,
No.
6, 13.
Got 3 of them out there. That's good.
Oh, well.
Did you feel
I tried.
nervous at all?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit?
A little bit nervous.
Yeah, the first time in the winner's circle, it's very tough. But as I mentioned a little while ago, you won your first game, which means you're going to play in at least 2 more games. And that means you're here for the remainder of this program and again tomorrow. And who knows what you're going to wind up winning. You've got $4,641 in prizes right now, including a holiday in New Orleans. And we'll be back with a new contestant after this. Big win in that first game for Derek, and now he gets to face a challenger. The young lady's name is Annie Rigmaiden. Am I correct on that?
Yes, you are.
Welcome, Annie Rigmaiden.
Thank you.
Now, that's a fascinating name. Tell me about it.
It's my husband's name.
Right?
And I believe it's American Indian.
American Indian.
Yeah.
Rigmaiden.
Yeah, about 100 times removed.
100 times removed.
Right.
All right, how long have you guys been married?
5 years.
Any kids yet?
2 children, Christopher 2 and Jamie's 9 months old.
9 months.
Yes.
Handful, huh?
Yeah.
Keeping you up at night?
Not anymore.
No. When does it stop?
2 weeks.
Oh, give me a break. Mine's over 4 weeks old, and he's still up during the night.
Well, I heard as much as 16 months. Yeah, so it's okay.
That's comforting.
We're going to play the game. Take a look over here. We'll show you a lovely prize.
This Wurlitzer grandfather clock is destined to become a family heirloom. The Montrose in vintage cherry features bevel glass and rotating moon dial, gracefully elegant, furnished by Wurlitzer.
Beautiful prize indeed, Gene. We'll show Derek and Annie where they'll find the grandfather clock at number 5. This is the second game of the day, Annie, and that means the 5 bonus car seconds are in there. The cash pot is up to $800, and we have a vacation on the island of St. Kitts.
Where's that?
St. Kitts is in the Caribbean. And we have just one wild card, I believe, in this game. Am I correct on that one? One wild card? So let's go to work. Annie, you select.
All
2
right,
numbers.
let's start with number 21 down the corner. A red tape. Oh, let's try to find the match for that on 19.
Do we have a match?
5
no,
bonus
5
car
bonus car seconds. Derek.
Okay, lucky number 13, right in the middle.
Diamond and topaz earrings.
Ooh, my wife loved that. Let's see number 7.
Wild card. Well, that takes care of that one, but you're getting a shot at a real good prize. The other diamond and topaz earrings are in the bottom line at 23. Slide them into position here, fellas. Thank you. And now, 3 doors opening up for Derek Nagata.
Oh, it's, well, maybe it's,
You solve it now, and I have to fill all of the available time with songs.
Wait.
You would not like that, Derek. You would not like that. So take your time, accumulate a lot of prizes.
Okay, let's see what's under number 10.
Cookware.
Cookware, Okay, let's go on the other side over to number 16.
Red take, no match. Annie.
All right, let's match up that red tape, number 21, and 16 for the match.
You are correct. Annie got excited there. Diamond, topaz earrings. Holiday on the Isle of St. Kitts is still up there.
Insurance.
Yeah,
We're
stay
gonna
with my wife's
Yeah.
earrings.
Insurance.
Okay,
Insurance.
leave him with his wife's earrings, he says.
Okay.
Open these 2 panels, please, for Annie.
Okay.
Do it again.
All right, let's see what's on the right-hand side of the puzzle on number 15.
5 bonus car seconds.
Okay, and the match on number 18.
No, cash pot. Who hiss? Derek?
Let me see. Let's see what's under number 17.
Recliner.
And at the top of the board at number 3.
Pasta maker. No match. Annie.
Okay, all right, I know where that is. 15, please.
You know where what is? Oh, the
I
bonus
know
car
the
seconds.
match for that is under number 19. Okay.
Right.
Yeah,
There you go.
I can use those 5 seconds.
Yeah?
No.
You're still thinking about those earrings, though, aren't you?
Yes,
Yes.
slightly.
Well, you're going to wait a while. Let's open the 2 doors and see what happens. Yeah. No sense rushing into this. It's early in the game. Pick again.
Okay, all right, let's open up the top of the puzzle under number 2, please.
That's the cookware.
And I saw that under 17, please?
No, recliner. Derek?
Okay, was the cookware under number 10?
Yep.
And number 2 for the match.
2 and 10 is a good match. Earrings and cookware. What a combination.
Oh, boy.
Swing these doors open for Derek. Select.
Okay, let's go to big number 1.
Cash pot.
Oh, and was that number 18?
Cash
Yes.
pot.
Could use that.
Amazing how the brain works in mysterious ways. It remembers things that consciously you don't think you can remember. Open it up. Pick again.
Okay, let's see. What's under number 12?
Green take.
Take. We haven't seen that. Have we seen what's under number 25?
Green take. Each of our players has a take. She's got the 5 bonus car seconds. If you make it to the winner's circle, you'd have 45 seconds.
I'll take them.
All right.
I was being so nice.
Bonus
to
car
you.
seconds going over to Derek's side. 2 doors swinging open for him. Remember, if he solves the puzzles?
Is it spinning your wheels?
Spinning your wheels. And he's going to the winner's circle. He's going to have a lot of time on the clock. He's won some good prizes again. Let's go to the board. Boy, you're good, Derek. You haven't been doing too much work as a mechanic. You've been watching television a lot. Go in there and explain this.
It just seems to be clicking here. Okay, I saw the S and the bowling pin and the ink for spinning, the Y plus the OR for your, and the W plus heel for wheels.
2 heels.
2 heels.
2 heels. Spinning your wheels. They were in the plural. Annie, 1 strike only against you,
That's
so we're going to
okay.
take you backstage and you'll get to play again.
Hope you win.
Thank you.
All right, let's find out about your prizes, Derek. Gene, tell him what he's won this time.
A cash pot worth $800 and cookware. Flavorite Kitchen Nutrition Cooking System featuring whistling temp tone. This unusual, healthy food preparation method helps preserve vitamins and minerals. Furnished by Regal and Diamond Topaz Earrings. Part of South Dakota Gold Company Gemstar Jewelry line, crafted in 14-karat gold. These earrings feature octagon cut blue topaz with sparkling diamond accents, making a classic fashion statement furnished by South Dakota Gold Company. And the 5 bonus car seconds. And Derek, you have prizes totaling $2,310.
Big win for you, Derek. And another chance at a car when we come back. Names firmly etched in your brain. Here are the 15 numbered squares, Derek. You've got 40 seconds on the clock, but hello, didn't you win 5 bonus car seconds? Yes, you did, so you're up to 3/4 of a minute. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
7, 8,
No.
6, 8,
Right.
9, 2,
No.
10, 2,
Right.
11, 1,
No.
12, 5,
No.
4, 12,
Yes.
13, 5,
Yes.
14, 3,
No.
14, 1,
Yep.
15, 7,
Yep. Couple of more seconds, maybe a second and a half more, and you could have won a brand new car. However, you do have $6,951 in prizes, and you're going on. You haven't had a loss yet. We'll be back after this.
Some of today's participants may receive a Princess House Products gift certificate. Beautiful hand-blown, hand-cut lead crystal. Elegant giftware, cookware, and decorative accessories furnished by Princess House. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
In the winner's circle, he said he was nervous. He didn't do too well, although he got 3 matches. This last time out, he was just 1 match away from winning a brand new car. If he had a couple of more seconds, if he makes it up here again, he should win a brand new car. And he has a chance for a lot more prizes, too, to add to the $7,000 he's got right now. We'll all be back tomorrow on Concentration. See you then.
Bye-bye.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.